Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall Glam fall centerpiece. And so what I have here is one of these bowls from Dollar Tree. So you'll need one of those. And then I've got a tall, this looks like a bud vase. So you need one of those. I have got a styrofoam ball. These come in a pack of 3 from Dollar Tree. And then I've got several different kinds of diamond wrap here. And I also have some of these peel and stick diamond gemstones. And I picked these up at Walmart. When I was in Dollar Tree, I did see that they have some of these on a half sheet size. And typically, the ones at my Dollar Tree are like a ruby color or an emerald color. So I have to get mine at Walmart. I've got some silver glue. Sorry, not silver glue. I've got some silver glitter. And I have some silver paint, which I may or may not use. I've got some Mod Podge. And I have 4 of these picks, and they're golden maple leaves, which I will be using, but I'm going to change the color of these to silver, just for the purposes of this project. But you don't have to. If you find these at Dollar Tree, you can certainly go with a gold color scheme. I've got some pine cones here that have been painted out with white color. I've got some scissors, some hot glue, and then an array of different floral colors. Here I've got some white, cream white, and then some more of a fall off-white color. So these are the items that we'll need in order to get this project completed. And as you guys know, sometimes my projects will kind of evolve as we go along, and we'll see. Some of these items may or may not be used, but these are the items that we'll need to get the project completed. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some Mod Podge to this, and then I'm just going to sprinkle these with silver glitter. Okay, so now I've got these pine cones here that have already been painted out in white, and I'm going to go ahead and put some Mod Podge on these as well, and go ahead and sprinkle them with glitter just to have a little bit more of that kind of a consistent glam look throughout. Again, if you want to just keep them white, you can. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and add some diamond wrap to this base here. And I'm going to use hot glue. I have some of this. If you have some of this peel and stick, you could always use this. I don't have enough of it to complete this project, so I'm just going to do it with a regular diamond wrap and hot glue. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get started building the centerpiece floral arrangement part of it. And now I've decided to go ahead and add some of the glass beads to this. And isn't that beautiful, you guys? Just a simple glam fall centerpiece. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.